Hey everyone, welcome back. So, in today's class, we will talk about some simple yet captivating idioms that will definitely make your normal conversation much more impressive. But instead of knowing the idioms directly, we will just know it with examples so that you can remember these idioms by heart. And I think this is only essential to learn anything new. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the topic. Why are you worried? It's up to you to take the next step and make the decision. Now, the same sentence but with an idiom. Why are you worried? I have given you the position. Now the ball is in your court. Now tell me which sentence is looking more impressive, with idiom or without idiom. Don't trust George with a gift idea, as he might accidentally reveal the secret. Now the same sentence but with an idiom. Don't trust George with a gift idea, he will definitely spill the beans. Means he will definitely reveal the secret. Have you seen Naira? It's been a long time since we met. Oh, here she is. We were just talking about you only, and see, here you are. Now, the same sentence but in an idiomatic way. We were just wondering, where is Naira? And see, speak of the devil, and devil is here. So, here the idiom which I have used, speak of the devil, means a person who is not with you at the moment whom you are talking about. The management thinks our workload is perfectly fine, but the frontline employees only know how they are burning out. Now, in this situation, you can use an idiom. Only the bearer knows where the shoe pinches. Means only a sufferer can know that how hard it is to cope up with any difficult situation. Where are the kids going? Keep an eye on them. So here the idiom keep an eye means to watch, monitor, or pay close attention to a person. So now, is there any trick to learn these idioms? Yes, there is a trick. So what is the trick? The trick is to use these idioms practically in your daily life whenever you get a chance. I hope today's class proves helpful for you. So I will see you with some more exciting and valuable content for you. Till then, bye bye and take good care of yourself.